Okay, so for today, we are going to complete a Jumping Frogs lab where you will experience how speed works and why it's important to find the speed of an object. So to start off with, I have created my frogs that are right here. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I am going to test these frogs to see how long it takes them to get from the start line to the finish line. So we are going to start with frog A. So I am going to go ahead and turn down my camera so that you can see my lines. Let me kind of shift this a little. I need you to see. Whoops, my bad. I'm having issues with the camera, as you can see. Sorry, guys. Just so that you can see everything. Okay, so as you can see, I'm right here with my frog number A, or letter A. Okay, frog A is right here. So I'm going to grab my timer. I can't seem to find at the moment. One second. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and time my frog jumping from the start line to the finish line. So, okay. So my first time is 9.25. So let's write this down so that we have it in a spot. So 9.29. Okay. Have it. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and do this again. Go through it 3 times. Okay. And the rest of it. Okay. For A. Test B. On the second track right here. Okay. So that is 9. Okay. 5.2. And remember. Okay. 9.15. Okay. So now that I have completed, it went from there. Now, my the frog. So, is it safe for me to say that frog A is faster than frog B when frog A went on this track and frog B went on this track? Why or why not? Okay, so hopefully hopefully you answered correctly. It's not right, because if you look, the distances are different. So if I were to measure the distance of track A, we measure, is 60 centimeters. The distance from track B is 83 centimeters. So the tracks are different. Why do you think it is important to find speed in a situation like this? Think about that for a second. Why do you think that's important? Why can't we just go by the times? Okay, so now what we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and figure out which frog went faster. To do that, we have to take the distance traveled and we have to divide it by the time. So we do that. First off, which frog do you think went the fastest? Frog A or frog B? Vote now. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to calculate. So I have my distance, which is 60, and I divide it by my fastest time for frog A, which was 6.34, and that equals 9.4. So my speed was 9.46 centimeters per second, because those are the units we are using. Then frog B traveled from 83 centimeters and went 9.15 seconds. So the speed of this one was 9.07 centimeters per second. So which one went faster? The one that went 9.7 or 9.46? You have to decide. Were you right? Were you wrong? So now that we're all done, do you understand why it's important to calculate speed and not just go by the time an object traveled? I hope this helped. Have a good day.